Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
I hope you are in a good condition for today's interview.
Yes, I am in my best condition today.
Glad to hear that. By the way, you are Miss Cecilia, right?
Yes, ma'am, I am Cecilia Slasan.
Alright, Miss Cecilia, are you applying for the editor internship position?
Yes, I am applying for the editor internship position.
Very well. Any difficulties in finding our office?
Not really, ma'am. It was easy because Mutiara Publisher is quite well known, especially in publishing field.
That's good to hear. So, where do you live, Miss Cecilia?
I live in Bekasi, ma'am.
Alright, I have read your CV briefly and it looks interesting. So now, please introduce yourself and tell us why are you interested in joining Mutiara Publisher?
My name is Cecilia Hasan and I am currently a fourth semester student at Polymedia, majoring in publishing. I have a strong interest in editorial and publishing work, especially manuscript editing and proofreading. I am interested in joining Mutiara Publisher because I see the company as a professional publishing house that handles the complete publishing process from editing and quality control to digital publishing and literacy programs. I believe this company will help me gain real industry experience and improve my editorial skills in a professional environment.
Interesting. Why did you choose the editor position?
Because editing is the field that I enjoy the most. I like analyzing manuscripts and improving them to become clearer, more effective, and more comfortable to read. During college, I worked on several editorial projects such as magazine production, articles editing, non-fiction editing, and short film script editing. I also enjoy checking grammar, punctuation, diction, sentence effectiveness, and content consistency. Besides that, I understand that an editor also needs to pay attention to layout and design visual consistency, so the design still supports the meaning of the manuscripts and does not go out of context.
What do you know about Mutiara Publisher and our publishing activities?
From the information I found, Mutiara Publisher was established in 2001 and focuses on full cycle publishing production. The company publishes various genres such as fiction, academic, and religious books. I also learned that Mutiara Publisher develops digital content like ebooks and audiobooks and actively supports literacy activities through workshop and seminars. So I think it's very interesting because the company not only focus on publishing books but also on building literacy engagement for readers.
That's good. What strengths will help you success in this internship?
I am detail-oriented and responsible when handling editorial tasks. I can work carefully under deadlines and stay focused when reviewing manuscript. I also have teamwork and leadership experience from several college projects. In some projects, I trusted to become the editorial leader, so I learned how to coordinate with team members, manage revisions, and maintain publication quality.
What is your biggest weakness?
Sometimes I spend too much time reviewing details because I want to the manuscript to be as accurate as possible. However, I realize that publishing work also requires good time management. So currently, I learned how to balance accuracy and efficiency better.
Have you ever created any creative project before?
Yes, ma'am. One of my projects was a culinary alternative media project on Instagram. In that project, I worked as editor-in-chief. I manage content planning, article writing, editing, design, and layout. The project received the positive feedback from audiences and my journalism lecture because the information was clear, complete, and visually attractive. They are also appreciate the consistency between the writing, design, and layout. Besides that, I also participate in magazine production project called Publishing Universe as head of editorial division and worked on children's storybook project individually.
How do you manage deadlines and revisions from supervisor?
Usually, I try to make a priority list and organize my tasks based on deadlines. When receiving revisions, I try to understand the feedback carefully and use it as an opportunity to improve my work. I believe revision are an important part of the editorial process because they help produce better and more accurate publications.
How comfortable are you working in a creative team environment?
I am very comfortable working in a creative team because I enjoy discussing ideas and learning from other people. In publishing project, I believe good communication between editors, writers, and designer is very important to create quality content.
What are your internship allowance expectations?
As an intern, my main priority is gaining experience and improving my skills in the publishing industry. However, I hope to receive an allowance according to the company policy and responsibilities during the internship period.
Alright, Miss Cecilia, do you have any question for us?
Yes, ma'am. I would like to ask what qualities do you usually expect from the editor interns at Mutiara Publisher, and what kind of editorial project are usually given to interns during the program?
That's a very good question, Miss Cecilia. At Mutiara Publisher, we usually look for interns who are detail-oriented, responsible, and willing to learn. Especially for editor interns, we need someone who can work carefully with manuscripts, accept revision professionally, and communicate well with the editorial team.
I understand, ma'am. I believe these qualities are very important in editorial work because editors have responsibilities not only for language accuracy but also for maintaining the quality of the publication.
Exactly. For editorial projects, interns are usually involved in proofreading, manuscript checking, content reviewing, and sometimes assisting senior editors in publication preparations.
That sounds very interesting, ma'am. I would be very happy if I could contribute and learn directly through these projects.
Wow, I'm glad to hear that. One more question before we end this interview. Why should we choose you as an editor intern at Mutiara Publisher?
I believe I have both skills and enthusiasm needed for this position. I already have experience in editing projects during college, and I am genuinely enjoy the editing process. I am also willing to learn, open to feedback, and able to work responsibly, both individually and in a team. Besides that, I believe publishing is not only about production books but also about delivering meaningful content for readers. That's why I want to grow in this field and contribute positively to Mutiara Publisher.
Very impressive answer, Mrs. Leah. Thank you for coming today.
Thank you very much for the opportunity, ma'am. I hope I can become part of Mutiara Publisher.